guys, Jason from Iconic Metal Gear. Looking at a B-pack we made for a customer and thought I'd show you the inside. It's a little bit more custom than standard one. Gas shocks on all the doors, it's pretty typical. Rain gutter design around the door with nice heavy bulb seal. This one's got a pull-out slide on each side. It's got a 12-inch lip on the one side, 250-pound slides locked in, and they can, they're going to mount stuff on this panel here so that the tools they have stay in one spot. But it's also got a drawer on the bottom door here. I'll show you that. It's way in. So that one comes out from the middle, tuck stuff in, and then they still got this full well here to put more gear in there. It's got the matching pull-out slide on the other side. These come with mounting kit, bolted down to your frame, and then various different sizes and widths to suit different truck needs. More products like this, check us out at iconicmetalgear.com.